Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Today is 2nd March 2025 and I welcome you to the March Jump Rope Challenge. In month of January, I did 51,000 jumps. In February, I again did about 50,000 jumps. And this came from 17 days of jumping and 11 days of either no jumps or some other form of workout. So this translates to about 2,900 jumps per session. I try to jump daily, but most of the months it doesn't happen. I'm perfectly okay with that. In the month of March, 2 days have gone and I have done about 4,000 jumps. And the goal I have set myself for the month of March is again 50,000 jumps. So if I jump daily, I'll need to jump at about 1,600 jumps per day, plus 1,600. In case I miss a few days, the run rate will increase. I invite you to set a jump goal for yourself for the month of March. Write it down and jump towards achieving it and exceeding it. Writing down the goal helps in making us stay focused on it and move towards our goal. I look forward to hearing from you on April 1st by how much you exceeded your jump rope goal. Till I see you in the next video, as usual, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.